Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Last year, Nokia released its first Android smartphone called Nokia 6. It was really interesting device with beautiful design, good software and attractive price. However, it was powered by weak chipset, so Nokia 6 failed to become a bestseller. Some days ago, Nokia announced next generation of its smartphones, Nokia 6 2018. It received more powerful hardware, updated design and some flagship features. It is mid-range smartphone with price tag about $230. Do you know another mid-range device with good specification and design? Yes, it is Xiaomi Mi A1. We decided to compare Nokia 6 2018 and Xiaomi Mi A1. Perhaps these are the best mid-range smartphones for the beginning of 2018. Let's start our comparison with design. Xiaomi Mi A1 and Nokia 6 2018 are full metal smartphones. Both of them looks premium and stylish. Also, they come with rounded edges and fingerprint reader on the back. However, the smartphones have completely different design. Nokia 6 2018 looks like a tank with solid and durable body. It seems that the smartphone can survive even under big pressure. It is made from Series 6000 aluminum and comes in two color options. As for Xiaomi Mi A1, it has much better build quality than other Xiaomi phones. The smartphone has clean design and in general it looks very similar to iPhone 7 Plus. To be honest, I like Xiaomi Mi A1 design more. However, you may have another opinion. Appearance is the personal choice of each user, so I cannot choose for you. So, I will give both smartphones by 1 point. Nokia 6 2018 and Xiaomi Mi A1 don't have full-screen design. Both of them come with 5.5-inch Full HD displays with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Of course, it is a big disadvantage of both smartphones because bezel-less or full screen is the main trend on the market. For example, Honor 7X looks more attractive with its 18:9 aspect ratio compared to 16:9 displays on Nokia 6 2018 and Xiaomi Mi A1. But if we talk about these two phones, then I cannot choose the winner again. Both of them have the same screen size and resolution. I will give by 1 point to each smartphone. A new smartphone Nokia 6 2018 is powered by Snapdragon 630 processor clocked at 2.2 GHz. It is much more powerful than last year's Snapdragon 430. Nokia company understood its main mistake with Nokia 6 2017 and fixed it with new generation smartphone. In this case, Nokia 6 2018 looks even better than Xiaomi Mi A1 that is powered by Snapdragon 625. It is also good chipset, but not as powerful as Snapdragon 630 processor. As for the memory, Nokia 6 2018 has with 3 or 4 GB of RAM and 33 or 64 GB of internal memory. The smartphone supports microSD memory cards. Xiaomi device comes in single variant with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory, which supports microSD memory cards. To be honest, it is hard to choose a winner because both smartphones looks great for mid-range category. However, I think Nokia 6 2018 has better performance, so I will give it 1 point. Xiaomi Mi A1 is the first smartphone from Chinese manufacturer with stock Android system. It was released about half a year ago, so it already has update to Android 8.0 Oreo. The software on Mi A1 is exactly the same as Google Pixel. It is pure Android operating system. As for Nokia 6 2018, it runs on Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box. There is some new icons and options, but in general it is stock Android system. If we talk about cameras, the Nokia 6 2018 comes with 16-megapixel rear camera with face detection autofocus, an aperture f2.0 and dual LED flash. At the front, there is 8-megapixel sensor with an aperture f2.0 and 84 degrees wide-angle lens. Nokia 6 smartphone has special feature called dual side capture. It allows to capture photos and videos from the front and rear camera at the same time. Xiaomi Mi A1 has dual main camera, 12-megapixel wide-angle sensor with an aperture f2.2 and 12-megapixel telephoto sensor with aperture f2.6. The dual camera provides not only bokeh effect, but also 2x optical zoom. The Chinese smartphone has 5-megapixel front camera. I think that Nokia missed by not equipping its new smartphone with dual cameras, so Xiaomi Mi A1 looks more interesting with its dual camera setup. Nokia 6 2018 is equipped with 3000 mAh battery and fast charging support. Also, it comes with USB Type-C port for charging. As for Xiaomi Mi A1, it comes with 3080 mAh battery. Mi A1 didn't support fast charging initially, but Android 8.0 Oreo update has brought fast charging to smartphone. Also, it has USB Type-C port. I think that both smartphones provide the same battery life, so I will give by 1 point to each device. Xiaomi Mi A1 is already on sale for a long time. Right now you can buy it for $200. As for Nokia 6 2018, it was released just few days ago and its price starts from $230. I think that later the smartphone will cost less, but even now it is very good. I cannot say that Nokia 6 2018 is overpriced. It has very nice price for its features. However, I cannot deny the fact that Xiaomi Mi A1 costs less. My comparison shows that Xiaomi Mi A1 has more points than Nokia 6 2018. It says that it is a better smartphone. However, design plays a very important role, and if you like Nokia 6 2018 more, then other differences are not so big. As for me, Xiaomi Mi A1 looks more beautiful, so I will choose this smartphone as a winner. Thanks for watching. In the description you can find links where to buy smartphone cheaper. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.